there! Today, we're going to talk about National Maple Syrup Day. Maple syrup is sweet and super sticky. People usually like to eat it with their pancakes or waffles in the morning. But where does maple syrup come from? Maple syrup is made from the sap of maple trees. Maple trees store starch in their trunks and roots. That starch turns into sugar during cold winters. Sugar in water turns into sap, and that sap gets collected. Then the water gets cooked out of the sap, leaving the sticky sweet syrup behind. Yum! Happy National Maple Syrup Day, everybody! To enjoy our library of over 300 classroom videos, please visit www.wondergrovesocialskills.com or scan the QR code.